Hi everyone. So now I'm going to teach about the role of civil engineer. So in the previous session you had seen about the scope of civil engineering. So there I have explained about various branches and the civil. Now I'm going to teach about the role of civil engineer in the society. So to carry out the planning of buildings as per the functional needs as suggested by the clients or users. The building may be residential building or a public building or industrial building. So it is said that all the customers, right, whatever they say we have to follow. As a civil engineer we need to give it. So the a civil engineer, what he have to do means he need to plan as per the laws, so that is as per the Indian standard rules. So we have Indian standard load analysis, like with respect to that we need to implement the building, and also we need to do carry out the soil investigations for the design of foundation of structures, and also to carry out the design of structures as per the principles of structural design and analysis. So the design of reinforced concrete elements, everything, like we need to study it properly and we need to implement in our day-to-day life, and also we need to ensure that the design is safe, durable and economical. Whatever we build have to be like it should have a durability, means it should be a safe for human. And also it is like to prepare and to estimate and to know the probable cost of completion of work. Everybody should be knowing that. So how much it should properly we need to submit the estimation. So we should not cheat, and also whatever required should be done properly, and also to invite tenders and to select contractors for the works, and also to carry out the valuation of land building for the purpose of finding its sale or purchase. So even for taxation or like whatever, the civil engineer has to work properly, and also like you need to work for the general welfare of people. So it is said that you can see that a civil engineer main role is not only like surveying, planning, designing, but also giving a proper plan to the world, like proper estimation, proper execution of structures like building roads, bridges, railways, ports, airports, dams, canals, waters, and wastewater treatment plants, water distribution network, and sewerage systems, and also to use scientific and engineering principles for the solution of different engineering problems, and also to solve different engineering problems with the help to find to the field experience, laboratory techniques, and also mathematical models using computer and information technology. Also to implement management techniques for better management of main material and machines. So what I said in my earlier presentation is the same thing what they are saying it here, means that proper usage of the resources like men, material and money by the civil engineering is required, by the civil engineer is required. And also whatever he build like dams or roads or railways, it should have a proper life, and also it should be safe for the people who are traveling there. The next one is infrastructure. What is meant by infrastructure? So you can see in the picture that here I have shown roads, airports, ports, railways, energy, utilities, education, healthcare, social building, right? So this and all comes under infrastructural facility, providing a proper water for the people, and also giving proper energy, ports, like a proper transportation facilities, education facilities, medicine means healthcare. Whenever there is some emergency, immediately people should get proper hospital facilities, right? So and also whatever the things they require they need to get. So the providing of all these things comes under the infrastructure. So, what are the impacts of infrastructural development? Means the infrastructure facilities is like about mainly about transportation, power, communication, water resource, banking, science, technology, etc. But think is like we need to provide basic infrastructure for each and everyone in the country. So it is required that even the people who are in the normal resident of the country should get proper infrastructure. Infrastructure means whenever he require he need to get proper hospital facilities, proper education facilities, and also if this infrastructure development happening in our country means even the farmers they will not die, means whatever they grew will be we will we can export it to the good rate, and they also will get lot of benefits, right? So that's why the infrastructural development is required. So infrastructural projects now you can see everywhere in the country, but still it has to be done in our country, right? So the term infrastructure itself says about transport facilities, drinking water sanitation facilities, irrigation facilities, power generation and transmission facilities, education facilities, healthcare facilities, housing facilities and recreation facilities. So these are all the different facilities in the infrastructure. So in my next class, we will be seeing about engineering mechanics. So I'll continue my session in the next presentation. Thank you all.